Imagine a pair of headphones that not only deliver exceptional sound quality, but also embody the sleek, high-performance spirit of Formula One racing. That's exactly what Bowers and Wilkins has achieved with their latest collaboration with McLaren. The iconic audio brand and the legendary racing team have joined forces once again, this time to unveil the McLaren edition of the Px8 S2 headphones, just in time for the Las Vegas Grand Prix. But here's where it gets exciting. This isn't just a cosmetic upgrade, it's a fusion of cutting-edge audio technology and motorsport precision. And this is the part most people miss. The partnership between these two British powerhouses dates back a decade, yet it feels fresher and more innovative than ever. The event was nothing short of spectacular, with McLaren F1 driver Lando Norris making a special appearance at the unveiling in McLaren's pop-up showroom in Vegas. The headphones themselves are a sight to behold, featuring McLaren's signature anthracite gray and papaya color scheme, a nod to the team's racing heritage. But don't be fooled by their subtle branding. These headphones are a statement piece, with the McLaren wordmark on the headband and the iconic swoosh logo discreetly placed inside the ear-ups. Available now on the Bowers and Wilkins site for $899. They're a premium investment for audiophiles and racing enthusiasts alike. But here's where it gets controversial. Is the $100 premium for the McLaren branding worth it? While the standard Px8 S2 headphones, released in September, already boast impressive upgrades like enhanced noise cancelling and lighter, more comfortable design, the McLaren Edition adds a layer of exclusivity and style. Yet, some might argue that the extra cost is purely for the prestige. What do you think? Is the McLaren branding a must-have, or is the standard edition enough for your listening needs? This isn't the first time Bowers and Wilkins and McLaren have teamed up. Previous collaborations include the McLaren-branded Px8 earbuds, Px8 headphones, and the Zeppelin speaker, each blending BMW's renowned audio quality with McLaren's racing DNA. Meanwhile, on the track, McLaren drivers Lando Norris and Oscar Piastri are dominating the F1 leaderboard, with 390 and 366 points, respectively, ahead of the Las Vegas Grand Prix. Catch the race this Saturday at 5 p.m. Eastern Time on ESPN. It's sure to be a thrilling showdown. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, a racing fan, or simply someone who appreciates the finer things in life, the Bowers and Wilkins Px8 S2 McLaren Edition headphones are a testament to what happens when two industry leaders come together. But we want to hear from you. Do you think the McLaren branding justifies the higher price tag, or is it a luxury too far? Let us know in the comments below.